Crisp on the outside, juicy on the inside, we're talking about the perfect fried mushrooms. Start with 10 earthy portobello mushrooms and give them a quick rinse. Now let's slice them into half-inch thick pieces. Next, grab a bowl. Into it goes 1 cup of flour, a dash of salt, a sprinkle of pepper, and here's the secret ingredient, a half teaspoon of paprika for that extra kick. Mix it well. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 large eggs until they're frothy. Dip each mushroom slice first into the flour mix, then into the eggs, and back into the flour. Now, heat a cup of oil in a pan, and when it's sizzling, add the mushrooms. Fry until golden brown, and voila, you've got the perfect fried mushrooms. Oh, and if you're wondering where to find more recipes like this, well, there's a big red button below this video that might help. It's got subscribe written all over it, but hey, no pressure, it's just a button that can bring deliciousness right to your screen. Enjoy.